Every brand has a personality. And right now, you need to understand that it's not that one personality is better than the other. It's just that your brand's personality is different than everyone else's. Once you identify your company's brand personality, it will help guide your choice of logo, colours, typography, words and actions so you can use them in all your marketing. When it comes to marketing your business, fitting in the middle with a lack of personality is the worst place to be. We've said it before and we'll say it again. It's all well and good showing up to the party, but if you're not dancing because you're scared of making a dick of yourself, you're not really letting people see who your brand actually is, and you're going to end up missing out on the experience. You've got to step on the floor, imagine no one's watching, and then dance to the beat of your own drum. Once you release the power of your brand's two hype feet, you'll have a brand, they can't touch.
Can't touch this. Can't touch this. My music hits me so hard, makes me say, oh my Lord, thank you for blessing me. What a mind to rhyme and to hype me, it feels good when you know you're down. A super dope homeboy from the Oak Town, and I'm known as such. And this is a beat you can't touch. I told you, homeboy, you can't touch this. Yeah, that's how we living, and you know you can't touch this.